Hello, I'm Leo Page at MarineMax at Bahia in Pensacola, Florida, and today I'm going to show you around our 2015 Cutwater C26 Extended Range Cruiser. First, you'll notice this vessel has navy blue gel coat, which has just been waxed and buffed, remote spotlight, solar charging system, Garmin radar, large rear swim platform with safety railing, this vessel is also equipped with a windlass with foot controls on the bow. Easy boarding via the big swim platform into the spacious cockpit with the rear seat, bolsters on both sides, and ample storage and access to the engine compartment. As you come forward into the cabin and salon, you'll notice a nice galley with solid surface countertops, a microwave, a large refrigerator, a converter dinette for either sleeping or eating, a second queen-size sleeping quarters underneath the dinette, a large two-person helm seat, and a companion seat just to the port side, fusion audio with speakers and Bluetooth. This vessel has front and rear thrusters, large touchscreen Garmin autopilot, and reliable Volvo Penta Diesel power. Spacious master stateroom with a large berth, changing seat, and a large wet head with a vessel sink and a flushing head. Come by MarineMax at Bahia in Pensacola, Florida today and ask for Leo Page to see this Cutwater C26 Extended Range Cruiser or any of our other great inventory.